So I had a check engine light on, code P1148 and P1031, air fuel mixture sensor. This is my oxygen sensor from 1A Auto. Screws right in there. I ended up taking off the heat shield for the exhaust manifold. Made it a little bit easier. I just used a 7/8 open end. If not, you can use an oxygen sensor wrench, which I had, but it was a little bit easier. It was just 4 bolts to pull the heat sensor off, the heat shield off. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and it slides right off. And as of right now, it cleared my code. This is for a 2005 Altima 2.5. Hope this helps somebody.